Alright guys, we're here at the shop with the S13. It's a little dirty from sitting here for so long. I mean, it's locked. Forgot. I feel like it looks pretty good right now. I mean, we're about to get the single cam out. You might want to pop the hood. Dropping in our built block. Stay by the single cam. Alright guys, we got the S13 in the air. We're about to drain the milkshake out of this thing. Look at it. I mean, this thing is immaculate. It's got dents and dings everywhere. I don't think you guys can really see, but I mean, open diffs. But this thing is,
it's clean, no rust, no rot, which is really
Yep.
good. Yeah, I don't know if no one showed you guys, but this is the status of the single jingle after running it for a little bit. It's the forbidden milkshake.
Yes.
Whoever at the shop that put this engine in, because we bought it from an abandoned shop, or not an abandoned shop, but
abandoned at a shop.
Abandoned at a shop. She did a half-ass job, and I mean, like, the engine mount brackets that are down here have no bolts in it, or the engine and transmission brackets are missing. It's got the wrong starter on it, which we had to get another one because I don't know what they did, but no bell housing bolt, no bell housing bolt, no bell housing bolt. We have 2 bolts in the very top, and the starter bolts. There's 4 bolts total that's holding this thing to the transmission. It's absolutely ridiculous. A little bit embarrassing. Anyways, we're gonna let this drain, and then we'll put you guys on a time lapse and let you see Nolan do all the extraction that he's gonna do. And
Yeah.
when I get done doing what I'm doing, I will help him build the engine. Did I show you guys this? This is the block we got. Bought from my buddy Trent. Let you see, brand new crankshaft.
Billet crankshaft.
Excuse me. All right, H-beam rods or Eagle rods, and it's got Super Tech pistons. ARP, ARP, ARP. This thing looks beautiful. So I got all new gaskets for it over here. Nothing fancy. We're just going back in with it NA. But the engine's built to hold a bunch. So we got to do a few little things to make sure it's ready and get it into this car. And we have everything to make that happen today, with the exception of an exhaust manifold or a header. So we're gonna get everything but that done, and you won't. I mean, it'll be a little bit of a delay before we crank it up, but for us, not for you guys. So enjoy the little bit of footage we got going today. Welcome back to the channel. It's episode 4 of Project S13. 4?
We were gonna continue our last video.
Was we?
Yeah, we were.
All right, we're trying to figure it out, guys. We're getting together. I'm gonna hand Nolan the camera more freely because I've got the GoPro back up and working, and not just my cell phone. And he'll film some things. I'll film some things, and yeah, let's make this 240 as good as it can be. Chugging away over here. If you see, Nolan, you having fun?
Yeah.
Look at that. Sorry. So everything just connected, less the sub harness, getting the starter off, and 2 bell housing bolts. That's all it's got. But he's got power steering unhooked, radiators out, fans off, harness undone, all the EGR crap gone and deleted, coil packs out of the way. Milkshakey. All right.
Good.
No. All right, we're gonna go up in the air with it and get the bottom side stuff off, and then the engine is coming out. You excited?
Yeah, I'm
We
glad.
still gotta put that together. Head off of that, head onto this. Knee. fam. Engine's out. You know, seeing a little time lapse. No one said we want to throw this thing into the ocean with all our used batteries. That way we ain't gonna ever see it again. What? Anyways, don't do that.
He's coming, bro.
What? Don't do that. We don't live close enough to the ocean to throw our batteries in. We throw those in lakes and ponds, like responsible people. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gotta, you know, get this thing off and on the ground, and that way it's out of our lives and can't hurt anyone ever again. Might need a new engine mount. That one's a little messed up. Got to pull the alternator off. We got to use it. And I don't think anything else we could really use, but we'll see. We'll set it to the side on top of the tire. And if we need anything, no one can over and just pull it off.
Probably be.
No, that's way different. I think we're gonna need lines. In the comments, guys, when you do dual cam swap, can you run AC on this thing still? I think so. I don't know. Back in the day, we didn't care about air conditioner. We didn't take it off. We just never hooked it back up. But let's get the dual cam together.
The shop that did the single cam in this car landed on the core support. Probably damaged the radiator as well. I'm gonna try to knock out this dent. If you don't see it, it's just bowed inwards. I'm just gonna try to get these little.
Like all guys do, you know, they just hit it because they try to go in with the transmission at the same time. And it can be done. You see that? What is that? Anyways,
I got the entire harness out and the computer pulled, so.
I don't know if you'll see this being the end of a video or just the middle of one. We'll see. I guess you'll find out in a few seconds whether the video ends or if it keeps going. But we're gonna do some cleaning, get some parts, supplies coming, and then it'll be all 240s as soon as we get back to it.
I might just weld the diff today. Who knows?
We're not gonna weld the diff yet. The welder's broke. We gotta get a new one or fix it. But yeah. So let's order some more parts.
All right, guys. Welcome back. It's been 2 days later. Me and my dad did a surface check on the engine head, so it's actually mint, so we can actually use this instead of sending it off to our buddy or just cleaning it now. I think it looks pretty good now. Yeah, I was just feeding in the harness just a second ago. See, it's all mint looking. I'm about to wash the engine bay. We weren't gonna do this, but then when the head delay happened, yeah. So, I'm gonna go clean my engine bay. I did a thing. I clipped my bumper with the pressure washer, and now I got these weird, don't know if it shows up on camera, but you see the white marks and everything. Oh, ADHD kicked in, and I finished the entire thing. May look a little better, now it's just yellow. There's the battery tray. It's the only rust on the car. Anyone want some rust? The engine bay all clean. Getting ready to paint the valve cover soon. I had to dry it, but then again, my ADHD kicked in again, and now my rear bumper's all lined up. Have to paint it, but I can't wait to like get the bumpers painted. I think I may just paint the car back factory color, so that's gonna go. Don't want you guys to see this though. It's got a title now. The car is legal, fully legal. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing some stuff to it. We grabbed some cams that we had that came with the built block, taking the micrometer to them. I had to clean them up because they had some rust on them from sitting in the shed. The shed's got a gigantic hole in it. But this is the stock cam right here. You won't be able to tell the difference with the eye, but my dad already put some lube on there, you see. These are significantly bigger. The S13's in the shop, man. We're getting the head torqued down now.
90 degrees.
Yeah. It did 90 and then like...
It's 25 foot-pounds, then 90 degrees.
Yeah. Our timing chain stuff. You want me to clean the other timing chain?
We need to.
All right.
I got it soaking in the oil there.
Right.
And we're back. Hey, look, no one's over here scrubbing some more parts. I think it's the AC bracket. We felt none of this, but look, it's all back together. It's like fingerprinting. Still gotta clean the intake. It's super dirty. Put the lower part on. Waiting for a work pump gasket, valve cover gasket. He's gonna paint the valve cover. Frank's so very hard at work. I'm not making any money today. No, it's just costing me money today. That's all right. He's gonna clean the shop up this week. He's got some money coming. Anyways, few parts switched over. We gotta wait for a few things to come in, and then it's gonna be back in the car. Let's see, they're all pretty. That's it. I just forgot you could zoom the GoPros. Anyways, all back together. We also discovered these were aftermarket camshafts, which is quite fantastic. I think Nolan already said that. Nolan, did you mention the cams already, that they were aftermarket?
I don't know.
No. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did.
He already said that. I've been giving him more freedom with the camera. Y'all let me know if you like that or not. Shout out, Nolan just turned loose with the GoPro, film a bunch of stuff, have a good time. What do you think, Frank?
It's not gonna have AC. It's okay.
We're gonna get dual cam high pressure lines. Anyways. Alright guys, we're at the point of trying to get the dual cam set down in here. I don't know if I showed that beautiful ISR header or not yet. I just come in Tuesday. It's currently Friday. No one's back at work with me. And we don't have power in the shop because they're doing some repairs out by the road. So the trans is kind of stuck really high up. We can't set this down in the rest of the way without lifting the rack up. And we can't do that because we have no power. Anyways, valve cover's painted. It's all assembled. Ignore the leaves and stuff on the ground. These stupid trees out here just blowing them in. Still gotta clean the intake manifold up, but I mean, for the most part, this thing's like
Brand new.
yeah, and 90% there. So we're gonna keep plugging along as soon as we get some electricity in the shop. Now the only thing left to do is just hook it all up.
See how low the front a little bit. It's like squatted right now. I don't know what my thing is associated with the truck.
Looks pretty good in there, huh, fellas? What you think, Nolan? This is your first official engine swap.
Yes, it's the official engine spot.
Yee, excited. Alright. You have to figure out the power steering stuff.
If the engine pitch changes, if it goes from sewing machine to damn, the spark plug blow out, we fucked the valve or something.
Anyways, Nolan, you want to crank this thing up? Let you guys hear it. We do have a problem. It's oh, we got that vacuum line wide open too. No, that's why it's running so crap. But number 3 injector is bad. We got a new one on the way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix that real quick. Let you guys hear it. No, let them just hear how, you know, it sounds.
We can look at it. It's starting to change.
Yeah.
It's starting to get rock.
Running on 3 cylinders, but yeah, by all accounts it runs pretty good. Being on 3. Hold on, we'll go to the back. Oh, I'm gonna go to the back. Put a little muffler on. This is on the Supra. Now it's on this. Alright, buddy. Alright. So we're waiting on an injector to come in at 4:30 today.
If anybody got $10,000, we'll sell this motherfucker right now. We're gonna get Nolan to BMW.
We'll trade for an FD. We know what we got. Right, Nolan?
Yeah.
Hood's back on. Now we just need to see if it's going to hit. Here, let's lower it down. Let's just see what it does.
Safety measures.
Alright, officially that's the end of the video. We really appreciate you sticking around and watching. Stay tuned. We'll drive this thing in the next one. We'll see how it does. It is tagged, insured, ready to go. We've just been waiting on this portion, and we gotta air the tire up as well.
We're gonna take it back so get
That thing leaks, so we'll take it next week and have it resealed and everything. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.